Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrew and I'm the vintage camera guy, and I don't normally do unboxings, but this one's a bit special, so let's roll the intro and get into it. Okay, welcome back to the channel. I received this package today all the way from we've got the customs documents here all the way from Genoa in Italy, so it's a bit special. This one's actually got a connection to a camera that I've looked at before, so let's get into it. Really well packaged. Did not want this to be damaged in transit, so actually got here quite quickly. I'm trying to figure out how I can even get into this. There we go. This one I'm really interested to see this camera because as I'll show you in a moment. Oh, I hate this stuff. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, there it is. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. Put this back in here. Oh, beautiful leather case. Old school. You don't get that sort of thing anymore. Beautiful old case. Let's get rid of this box. Okay, there we go. It's a Bencini Koroll II, and some of you who will have watched some of my videos will have seen that I had the original Bencini Koroll and did a video on it a little while ago. So we've got the two generations here. Let's have a quick look, see what we've got here. See if we can figure out. Open up. Oop, back comes off. So unlike the original one, this is actually a 6x45, not a 6x6. So we'll get some extra frames. We have shutter speeds. Very basic shutter, but it appears to work. All appears to be going fine. Looks in good shape. So pretty happy about that. It's made it here safe and sound. I'm looking forward to giving it a try out, and over the next few weeks we'll do a proper full video on it. So I hope you hang around, give us a like, subscribe if you want to see some more, and we'll get this baby out and about soon. Till then, catch ya.